Alright. Fuel stop complete. Back at it.
This is like the longest on-ramp ever. It's funny, you can see the fog coming from a mile away and then you just felt the temperature drop. I think this is the first time I've ever been across here. Funny, I've driven through here in a car a few times. I never really noticed that it's a nice road. You gotta pass on a motorcycle to realize it's nice. Heading into America for the first time on the bikes. We're getting some dirty flat spots on our rear tires from doing some highway miles lately. Kinda sucks, but whatever. We're heading into the border crossing, so I think I'm gonna shut this down.
12 seconds later.
Alright. Ready to go? We're fine law-abiding citizens, so no problem crossing.
Yeah, I had noticed he asked you twice, I wasn't sure. Basically, you're not coming to get a job over here today? It's funny, you answered all the questions, so... It's like, what do you do for work? I said, heavy truck mechanic. He's like, when's the last time you were in court? Never. He's like, never been arrested either side of the border? Nope. Have a good day. Look at that, Cornwell quality tools. We don't get that option. If you want, when we stop for gas, we can put some earplugs in there. Just find it extra loud now. Oh god, I don't even know what the speed limit is. 50 mile an hour? Okay. It's like 80. Oh shit, if it was easier to access my speedo healer, I can switch my speedo healer to read mile an hour in one button. It'll still show kilometers an hour on my dash, but it'll read in mile an hour. Faster. Never even thought. Something tells me there's probably some button combination to make mine switch, because this is the same bike that's sold here and the States. It just needs to be changed over.
Now that's some more reasonable gas prices. Watch the numbers climb pretty quick when it's set to Fahrenheit. See, over here my bike only has 16,823 miles on it. Makes it sound even younger than it is. 1,838 miles on yours. Cat trucks. Every once in a while you see one around. Basically an international truck with a funny hood.
If we had more time in the state, it'd be nice to head inland and check out some of the mountains. It's really nice in there, I guess.
Whoa, check those out.
I'm assuming this must be the Prescott River. If it's not, it doesn't make a damn bit of sense. Fuck, you see, if you don't go 10 feet further up the road, you miss everything. Now that's freedom. That's a lot of freedom. Yeah, the invisible line that runs through the woods, it can make a lot of really big differences, but I mean, all in all, it's not that different. I probably don't need to be picking the front wheel up in front of what looked like a state trooper either. It wasn't that far to Van Buren according to the sign, so I imagine not far off. out of nothing. That's one thing we got in common with Maine. I think we're going to fuel up before heading back into Canada too. Well, yeah, a little bit. Some big hills coming down into the valley. Yeah, this is just more of a guess, but I'd say everything up there is Canada, up on the hill. Oh jeez, I didn't even realize the road went straight. Okay, so we'll go to the gas station then. You notice the name of the sign? Or name of the street? Acadian Way. A sport bike, holy shit.
Yeah. Oh. All paying Canadian money? Are you serious? So is that actually the Canadian total now? Is that all you can get in? Over 3/4 of a gallon? Something. Oh, shit. I can switch to mile per hour and keep Celsius on the temperature too. I never noticed. All different combinations of it. You want to switch yours back?
If you want, but...
Watch out. Just flip your key on.
There it is. 3,042.
Fuck, I'm gonna pull up there with earplugs in. I'm not gonna be able to hear a word they say. Wonder if I should have took that out now. Take one of them out anyway. Kind of a fancier crossing than I was expecting. This is the American side though. $27,000. Look at that, we didn't get shot or nothing. Yep, worked out well.
Well, they let us back into our country. Whether or not that's a good thing is debatable, I guess. It's funny, as soon as we're back on the Canadian side, it's like, what's the speed limit? I don't care, just fucking go. No, as you head further south from this area, the international border starts to run inland away from the river. Canada starts to own both sides of the river. Not sure how they fucking made that deal, but Victoria County now. Been through a lot of counties lately. Oh, that's the falls. Duh. Was wondering what we were coming up on. Shit, should have went in and looked. Want to? No, the area and the scenery is always nice when you're in New Brunswick. But like I said, the roads are going to make you piss blood by the time it's over. And we also can't afford a proper hospital to treat you once that happens, so best of luck to you. Nice spot down on the water. Like, is this still a 2-lane road? What the fuck? I'd say this spring when it flooded, it probably undercut all these banks. The road is getting questionable. This is nice here where you can actually see the river. It just sucks that if we have a couple more years of flooding like that in the spring, this road will probably collapse into the river. And I don't know if it'll ever get fixed again, the way things are going around here. They'll come and put some kind of dirt road in here to get the people in and out from their homes, and that'll be about it. This is some pavement at least. Jesus. You get so beat to hell on some of these roads that when you finally hit a good one, you can't enjoy it because you're still so sore. It is a dam. Pretty damn high dam, too. Takes me at least 2 tries minimum to get my helmet on with the earplugs and everything in properly. Not because it, takes me a couple of tries to get the earplugs in right, it's just because I never remember them on the first try. If I can remember before I pull away, I'm ahead of the game. Yeah, this road is much better. Not as fun, not many turns or anything in it, but it's nice not to get the shit beat right out of you. Stretch out. Almost stalled the bike out in 6th gear, stretch it out. That actually felt really good. I gotta do it again to stretch out some. Oh man, that's nice. The pressure from the hump on your back is good. Engine brakes prohibited. Yeah, some of the trees are already starting to change a bit through here. Once they all get going. The road from Florenceville to Perth is definitely good by comparison to some of them we've been on today. Well, that's the end of day 2. Day 3.